Hello and welcome to this new course. This is Education Engineering Team, a team of skillful engineers dedicated to help you reach your full potential and master new skills while getting a certificate. Today we have a new course. This course is about basic electronics components, and in this course we will go through all the basics of electronic components. This is the course outline. So starting with the components of electricity, Volt-Ohm-Meter basics, the measuring of electricity, circuit diagram basics, the resistors, Ohm's law, the capacitor, the inductor, the diode, and the transistor. This course is intended for those interested in learning the basics of electronics. The topics discussed during the course are listed here, as you can see in a brief outline. The topics up to and including Ohm's law are considered basic. The remaining topics will cover additional fundamental components of basic electronics. The course will be presented in platform discussion here in Udemy, along with guided practices and open question format for all of you. The course uses a standard Volt-Ohm-Meter for registration. If the participant has a different Volt-Ohm-Meter or voltmeter, the range setting and or readouts will be different. The readings for the sample activities given in this presentation are based in the readings while using test bed and are indicated for registration purposes only. Your reading may be slightly different. We will begin by discussing the three components that make up electricity. Then extensive time will be spent on how to measure the three components of electricity during this section. Two of the three components, voltage and current, will be explored. This section will cover Ohm basics and allow you to become familiar with the most important and basic piece of test equipment, which is voltmeter or a meter. The next section on circuit diagrams will present how electronic components are symbolized on an electronic roadmap called a schematic or a circuit diagram. Many of the symbols presented will represent new concepts for many of you, and these concepts will not be fully developed before the section is covered, and many will not be developed at all during the course. The intention here is to develop the fundamentals of interpreting circuit diagrams so that these illustrations of the arrangements of electronic components can be used to help with the remainder of the course. The final of the three components, resistors, will be covered next. How the three components are related mathematically is Ohm's law. This fundamental law will be covered in details. These sections make up the basic material of electronics. Four additional components common to virtually all electronic circuits are capacitors, inductors, diode, and transistors. These topics will be covered with a level of details that will familiarize the audience with the function of these components and the basic of how they work and react in different illustrations. That's all for the introduction. I hope that you get a clear idea of what you will get in this course. I'm sure that you will enjoy this journey with us and that you will gain a lot of knowledge, and some of the basic electronics component concepts will be changed in your mind after this course. I advise that you take it if you are in the microcontroller programming or electronics industry, so that you can enhance your knowledge and get certified in basic electronics. This is Education Engineering Team, and happy learning.